Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at uranium energy again. It is another update, and here we have been tracking all along this wave 1 up and the wave 2 down that followed, and then another 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup. And this is actually where it becomes a little bit more interesting, because after the last 1-2 setup that I just showed, we then still followed directly to the upside, and another 1-2 and possibly another 1-2 here. So you may see how we are setting up for quite a strong movement to the upside, and that could be this third wave that just completed here, but it could really be also something more bullish, and that's what I want to explore in this video. But before we actually get to that, I just wanted to congratulate anyone who followed the trade setup that I showed up in the previous video for the last 4-5 pattern. It was, well, it's 15% from the low here up to 14% something, but I think it might have been a little higher. I don't know if it formed another low from the video, so let's say anyway 10% of profits could have been made. And I could consider now this third wave quite complete, and also the support zone for the wave 4 that would follow within this third wave would be from $9.41 down to around $8, the $8 level. And that is a very realistic follow-up in terms of the count, but I actually want to explore here the possibility that we may be in actually something much more bullish, where instead of having this as the third wave up, maybe it could be something different, where instead, let me remove this support zone that was available and used and is no longer useful, but I'm thinking maybe we may have, instead of a third wave up, another series of 1-2 setups here, and I will make these a little bit lower, but the idea is that we could head much higher, much more directly. This stock does have a very bullish outlook based on the series of 1-2 setups, and it is a little bit unrealistic, but right now it seems to be following through, and I don't want to not at least put the idea out there. I mean, it doesn't have to work out and play out in this way. It could continue with the white scenario that we have been tracking all along. And yeah, I think I made the first video when we were somewhere in this area around $6.70, somewhere like that, and I provided you a support zone that could have been used to get quite a lot of profits, like what is it, 80% profit in like 30 days in a month. That could have been quite a lot, but I just feel like I need to think if we actually completed here a wave 1 instead, and we are still within a much larger third wave here instead of completing the entire third wave, because I could consider that this was another 1-2, and I will mark this in yellow, and that now we could have also completed another 1-2 here, and we could push higher and higher with very little retracements in this manner, because when you get to such degrees of third waves within third waves, they do tend to actually have very little structure. And based also on how strong this movement was after what could have easily been a third wave up complete and then a larger correction in the fourth wave, as was this wave 2, instead we pushed with very much strength to the upside. And I now do feel like I want to track, and I want to have the open idea that maybe we are still with making 1-2 setups and preparing for a much stronger push to the upside. And in this case, I have to admit, this 1-2 setup could be done. It could be complete here, It could also realistically go lower, but we do have a 3-wave move down, and it could also be complete. And if it still works out to go within it, and you want to take the chance on this much bullish, a lot more risky, but much more bullish interpretation, you can do that in the levels between $10.30 down to around $9.80. And I could also say actually that maybe here we already had yet another 1-2 setup, but I wouldn't really expect this movement to really go back down. If this is actually a 1-2 setup, I wouldn't necessarily expect it to retrace too much. I would have actually even expected it to maybe end a little earlier if it was a 1-2 setup, but it seems to continue making higher highs and higher lows and trending higher. But keep in mind, this is on the very small time frame and it is extremely fragile. So don't just assume that if something breaks, it is bearish or anything. As I said in previous videos, this chart is extremely bullish. It has very many levels that it could break before we would actually need to consider that it is going to new, even local lows. We have very many levels that are still very relevant, support levels, and yeah, they might need to be adjusted slightly based on somehow different counts, but overall I am still quite positive on the outlook on this chart. And for now, for those of you who want to be more safe, you have the white scenario, and for those of you who may want to enter, although I want you to be cautious, but if you want to enter more risky setups, you have the yellow scenario. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.